Hey guys, I was outside in the garden. I'm sorry, y'all can't see my face today because I'm looking tore up. But I was outside in the garden and harvesting just a few cucumbers, and then I saw this on my cucumber with like a whole bunch of like pus or fatty substance. It came off on the bag. I'm just curious. I know it's a bug, so we're not gonna consume this. I'm just curious what type of bug would that be, or what type of bug laid that on the cucumber. Possibly a cucumber beetle. I don't know, because I did see something out here yesterday that looked like a ladybug, and it may not have been. So just kind of curious. Also, I just want to give you guys a quick little introduction to my new purple raised bed. We got rid of the brown one, and I found this purple one on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link to it if you guys are interested. They have a whole bunch of other colors, and then of course my white ones in the back. I've been kind of showing them but not saying anything about them because I wanted to say it when I showed you guys the purple one. This is so pretty. So my thought process for this bed is gonna be cabbage and broccoli. Probably like 3 cabbages and 1 broccoli, or 4 cabbages and 1 broccoli. I'm not sure yet, but I have enough seedlings growing to do 3 or 4. And then also I decided to do some zucchini, so that one is popped up. I'm doing the green zucchini, and I'm also gonna do the golden zucchini, the yellow zucchini in this bed. So I'm still kind of working. I think that's the only 2 things I'm gonna do in this bed. Keep it simple, especially since after my surgery I don't want to do anything crazy. I don't know, this beehead probably sleeping, but yeah, I don't know if y'all could see, and I don't want to disturb the bee, but why are there 3 sugar baby watermelon seeds just popped underneath the soil? That's just crazy. I know we're not gonna get anything, but I'm just gonna leave them in there. My plans for this bed is just the cucumber and the carrots. After that's finished, my peppers are putting out. Finally, that's the one that was attacked by the hornworm. So it's finally putting out peppers, and those look like it could be habanero, scotch bonnet peppers. I know for a fact that one is habanero, but I planted my own, and this is supposed to be scotch bonnet, and the leaves look different, so I'm curious to get something off of that one. And of course, y'all know my banana peppers are still flourishing. My corn, I don't know, my corn looks a little sad. Even the tassels are like brownish, so I'm gonna wait for the silks to completely get brown before I do anything to it. So I don't know, I don't know. I just hope I got some corn. I know the first one I was able to do a baby corn, and these don't look as fat as I was expecting them to be. They're not that fat, so I'm gonna keep pushing them until they don't want to go anymore. My regular potato, for some reason still haven't popped up from the soil. I hope it hasn't died. That's the only thing I could assume, that it's rotten, and I'm not sure. But I'm gonna give it just a few more, probably about a week. After a week, if I don't see anything, I'll just hold that up or throw that stuff out. There's nothing in this bed. Sweet potato looks like it's slowing down and dying back now. There is no, remember all these bites I was getting off of this tree? There's no bites. There's no damage to the leaves. I'm not sure when to harvest this. I am gonna go back to see when I bought it, because I did bought these potato slips, and then probably count from then. If not, I'm gonna just try and harvest it next week. because I've had it in the ground for a while now. Not in the ground, in these bags for a while now. And then when that's done, of course, these raised beds are going to be filled with soil, and then that'll help with the spring season. And then I'm gonna put some dirt in these rectangle bins or pots, and then that will be for flowers. So we did put some onions in here just to help with pest management. And yeah, we're doing good over here. Oh, while I'm here and I've got you guys on, let me show you guys what we got going on over here. Let's check on the other seedlings and everything else. There's no lawnmower going on, so I do have them covered up. But my radishes just popped, my carrots popped up, and my chives. Ooh, what is this over here? This is spinach. This one is spinach, so the spinach just popped up. And my beets are coming up, if you can see right there. So those are beets. So everything has germinated in this bed. This is really cool. I hope I didn't put too much in there, but everything has germinated in this bed, which is very nice. My calendula has, all of them have popped as well, or germinated. It sounds weird saying popped. Broccoli, nothing has come up from the broccoli. My cabbages are great. Nasturtiums, just a few. Chives haven't come up yet, and the butternut squash is on the last row. That hasn't come up yet. And our surprise pot, which is this one, it's coming up. We still don't know, or if you guys can tell what it is, let me know. Let's get some. How about we try guess what it is before it comes up? Probably from the leaves. So that's a shot of the leaves. If you guys want to put a guess inside of the chat, go ahead and do that. And my strawberries are doing good. The mint is doing good. I had transplanted this basil. It didn't seem to be affected by the transplant. We have some lettuce here. My spinach just popped up, so spinach is gonna be here, and there should be one down there. So I have also have lettuce all on this top row. And you guys, I also have German thyme down on the bottom, and pineapple is still doing great up here. It's gonna move and go inside, but just for the moment. So I have a question in regard to lavender. How do you guys care for lavender? Because I have a good amount of lavender, but they're dying. So I have one here that seems to be doing okay. And that one is rosemary on the bottom. And I have these three that seems to be dying. Y'all let me know how you guys take care of lavender. And then this, I still have my grapevine. I need to figure out what I'm going to do with it, because it does have to go in the ground from what I've been told. It can't be in a pot. And one last thing before I let you guys go. Swiss chard is doing great. And these baby pineapples are doing wonderful. Please disregard these. I was cleaning out some stuff and I noticed that my daughter had left some dog bags or whatever. So But anyway, the pineapples are doing wonderful. This one still hasn't done anything yet, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Alright guys, our Barbados cherry tree, I've been seeing flowers, but I still haven't seen any fruit. So I still gotta be, I still gotta be patient. So it is a fruit tree, but they're healthy, they're green. If any pests or bugs popped up, they would try to fly to the top of the net, and then I'll just squish them once they got to the top, looking to try and get out. And our passion fruit is doing great as well. I'm gonna try and find like a bigger tomato cage or something so it could trellis on, and then this is gonna go inside. I'm not sure what this is. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is, but we're gonna take that leaf off, and then we're gonna put it inside probably by next week, because this week we have a whole bunch of 90-degree weather. So what I am doing is I am cutting off all the bad leaves off of the cucumber plant just to keep it pushing. So that's it, something real simple. Thank you guys for kicking it with Kish, and I appreciate y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, I came on the backside, just pulling y'all one more time. I came on the backside. I think this may be a squash bug, because I'm noticing like this is a cucumber, and then I think you guys said this is frask, so I'm pretty sure it may be a squash bug. So now I need to look to see what that looks like, and then try to figure out how to deal with a squash bug. So I think that's what kind of got my plants, because it wasn't looking like this just a minute ago. Like probably just 2 days ago, it wasn't looking like this. And then see, even though these look like they were fertilized, and then all of a sudden these are literally holes in the baby cucumber. I don't know if you guys could see the hole. So they're eating the cucumber from the inside out. Okay, like see, even that one, it got a bunch of holes, and there's another worm. So I need to figure out what to do to save them, otherwise than that I won't have any cucumbers left. Alright, if you guys have any advice in the chat, go ahead and put it in for me, and hopefully I'll be able to save these cucumbers and give you guys another video, because yeah, they're basically tearing up the cucumbers that's been fertilized, that's been pollinated, sorry. So if you guys could help me out, I greatly appreciate it. I think that one's got frask on it too. So alright guys, till the next video. Y'all, I'm jumping back in one more time. Is this a ladybug, or is this a bug I need to be worried about? So while I was looking through the plants, that's the only thing I saw. I basically had to get rid of all my cucumbers because they all had holes in them. Is this a ladybug, or is this something that I need to be worried about?